Hooked on English. Unlocking the secrets of this engaging phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very common but intriguing English phrase, hooked on. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or everyday conversation, understanding this phrase can really amp up your English skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, hooked on, is an informal way of saying that someone finds something extremely interesting, enjoyable, or addictive. It originates from the literal idea of a fish getting caught on a hook. Once it's hooked, it can't get away. Similarly, when a person is hooked on something, it means they are so captivated by it that they can't easily stop engaging with it. To help you grasp this phrase better, let's look at some examples. Music and entertainment. I'm totally hooked on this new TV show, means that you find the show so interesting that you can't stop watching it. Hobbies and interests. She's been hooked on painting ever since she tried it. Suggests a strong, newfound interest in painting. Substances and addictions. Caution, in a more serious context. Hooked on can refer to substance addiction, like, he got hooked on cigarettes. This usage indicates a dependency that's hard to break. Now, let's practice using hooked on in sentences. Positive context. After reading the first book, I was hooked on the series. Negative context. Ever since the accident, he's been hooked on painkillers. Question form. Are you hooked on any new hobbies lately? Remember, the tone and context can significantly change the meaning from something fun and enjoyable to something more serious. Understanding similar phrases can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few. Obsessed with. She's obsessed with fashion. Addicted to. He's addicted to gaming. Fascinated by. I am fascinated by ancient history. Each of these has a slightly different nuance, so pay attention to the context. That's a wrap on Hooked On. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now a bit more hooked on English learning. Remember, understanding these phrases not only enhances your communication skills but also enriches your cultural understanding. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.